The Georgia Statewide Contract is a contract that was procured by the Department of Administrative Services that provided preventive and corrective maintenance for the agencies in the state. And that includes anything from a city to a county to a state agency. And it's given us an opportunity to develop a regional approach and a bunch of skill sets placed throughout those regions that allow us to provide better value to our clients. We have a regionalized setup with licensed individuals that are allowed and are able to approach and handle technical objectives with our clients in a more streamlined fashion, adding better value, quicker response times, better technical solutions for our clients, which ultimately gives them better value. The Statewide Contract facilitates us helping clients in a wide array of services.